There are no two divorces that are really the same. And I think of divorces as a fingerprint. It's very unique because it depends on each party's individual facts and circumstances. For instance, some parties have not lived together in over 10 years. Some parties are still living together and they're going through a divorce. Some people have children, some people have more assets, some people have businesses. So all of these factors make for each divorce to be almost an individualized kind of situation. Now, in New Jersey, I would say that the length of divorce can be a year, but it really depends on how much the parties end up cooperating with one another and really coming to terms about what they're going to get out of the divorce or what that final result is going to be. So typically, when I have a client, I'm working on the court's calendar, which is to file the pleadings, attend a case management conference, attend MESP, and then ultimately, if necessary, attend a trial. But at the same time, we're always in the background trying to resolve the case for the parties to save them time, energy, and money. Because not only can divorce be expensive, but it can be an emotional toll. And I'm always aware of that. I don't take that lightly when I'm trying to get a client to the end goal or to that final stage where we can finally have that divorce hearing. So what that looks like in New Jersey is after the pleadings are filed, the court will schedule a case management conference, and then the parties will have an outline as to what the next steps are in their case. Ultimately, if the parties cannot reach an agreement, the matter will have to go to trial. And there are some cases where a motion or an application to the court will have to be made because people need immediate relief. Now, this is really important. There are so many steps that take place in the divorce process that I suggest that everyone have some form of representation. What happens in the divorce process is very emotional, but you need someone who can be there to educate you about the process, guide you through it, navigate you through this process with a level of expertise that can get you over the hump. And sometimes that means telling you what you don't want to hear, but it's so important to have a competent, experienced attorney who can get you to the finish line. And that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to educate you about this process, guide you through it, be your partner in creating a strategy to give you the most relief that you can in this process. Because trust me, it's not easy and it's not something you need to do alone. So if you find yourself in this situation, if you're ready, and I know it takes a minute to get there, but if you feel it's time, give me a call. 856-359-5222. Let's do this together.